Hey, do you want to win on social media? You want to win more clients? You want to engage with more candidates on social media? Check this video out right here. We are going to give you all the tools and all the tips you need to get this going. So first and foremost, the number one thing you need to have is a congruent brand across all your platforms. So what does that mean? Your website, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, whatever social media you're on, all needs to have the same font, coloring, and photography. So we can build a brand that people will be able to follow, right? And our messaging, most importantly, needs to be congruent across all these platforms, okay? Now, once we have our congruent brand set up, then the first thing that we can do is just start showing up every day and adding value through valuable content, whether it be video, whether it be written, doesn't really matter, okay? And that's the next tip, is balance video and written. Why? Well, first and foremost, you need to figure out what your style is and how you're most comfortable delivering content and where you're going to be able to deliver the most impact of content. But you need both because not everybody consumes things the same. Some people prefer video, some people prefer writing. The cool thing about doing video is you can do a video and get it transcribed, and now you've got writing too. There's a little tip for you. Take it and run with it, okay? The next thing is why aren't you sharing your testimonials every day? You got to be sharing your testimonials, your success stories, your case studies every day on social media. Hey, look, I'm the best thing since sliced bread. None of you believe that. But if Tom says it, and if Harry says it, then you believe it, right? If somebody says it other than you, you believe what they're saying. So share your testimonials and your case studies. Let your proud clients do the speaking for you, okay? That way we can stop patting ourselves on the back and let somebody else do it for us, okay? The other thing is you have a really great opportunity to be authentic. Right? In today's world, yeah, blah, 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 blah. We all hear about being authentic, but the real reality of it is being naturally who you are is what's going to attract people. And so me doing a video like this, whether you like the content or not, at least you're getting to know Donnie and what kind of a goofball he is or what kind of a guy you don't like, right? It's all a great thing. Either way, you get to be authentic and be your real self. And that's what really is going to attract people to you. So don't forget that component, okay? You want to educate more than you promote. Some people, when they think marketing, they think, oh, well, I need to start thinking of why people would work with me and all these things about our company. And yeah, those are all good things to have, but really you want to market around your clients' pains and problems and opportunities. And you want to be able to explain all that better than they can. And that's really the content that you want to create. You want to be educating your market rather than promoting your business. So I've always worked off of kind of like a 90-10 rule. Hey, if I were going to put out 9 posts, 9 of them are going to be valuable. The 10th one is going to be promoting myself. Now, this is also something that you can't forget to promote yourself and what you have to offer, your methodology, your services, your recruitment process, whatever it is, you can't forget to educate your market about that, but lead with value first, okay? People are far more receptive to that. That's going to build your thought leadership. That's going to build your authority, okay? And that's going to ultimately get people coming to you, okay? The other thing is you need to have a couple of offers. Well, what are offers? An offer can be somebody scheduling a phone call, or an offer can be somebody downloading a guide or attending a webinar. Online, we want to have offers so we can capture people's information so we can continue to market them across multiple channels. So having offers has got to be a part of your game plan. Okay, no matter what it is or what it looks like, if it's a white paper, a checklist, whatever it is, a guide, an ebook, we have to have some way to engage with our audience so that we can at least retarget them and pixel them on Facebook and remarket to them through email, okay? The last thing is leverage automation, okay? It's hard for us as people to continually show up every single day and properly run social media while we are still running our business, okay? If we had all day long to do it, then that would be great, but we all have businesses. And so leveraging automation ensures that, one, I've got my activity and my presence being built over and over again without any of my effort. 2, automation doesn't bitch and complain. And 3, automation just works way faster and way harder than any human being. And that's not a knock on any of us. It's just what technology allows us to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at donnie@donniegupton.com, and we'll see you in the next one.